Case study, rubber sole process, choose manufacturing company. Why do we need video shooting in e-learning? 1. Shows all key steps with realistic motion picture. 2. Highlights all the important checkpoints with red color circles and captions. 3. Dual screens explanation on each counter checking. 4. Alert messages with siren to catch audience's attention. Applicable to manufacturing industries. Rubber sole production consists 5 key steps. They are: 1. Check parameter machine and specification product. 2. Prepare material. 3. Check pattern of mold. 4. Running process molding. 5. Check quality of rubber sole. To begin a molding process, get the rubber according to the product specification. Then, refer to work instruction to check the parameter of the machine for temperature and number of clamp. Besides, you also will check the quantity of material that is needed. After that, cut and weight the rubber to get the quantity that is needed for one rubber sole. You must ensure the weight for this material is sufficient to produce a good quality molding. Once the material is ready, pull the rubber sole mold out from the station. Temperature of the mold and molding area are very high. You must always wear gloves and be careful when you are handling it. Then, check the pattern of the rubber sole mold by verifying the pattern and size with work instruction. This is to ensure the correct rubber sole mold is used. Insert rubber to bottom rubber sole mold. When the rubber is ready to mold, close the rubber sole mold and push it into the molding station. To start molding, press the start button, which is green in color. Component machine is now moving up and clamp the rubber sole mold. The component will unclamp and clamp again for a few times to get rid of the air in the rubber sole mold. It will then clamp the rubber sole mold for molding. After the molding process is completed, component machine will move down. Pull out the rubber sole mold and open it with assistant tool. Temperature of the mold and molding area are very high. Be careful when you are handling it. Then, with the help of assistant tool, remove the shoe sole. Be careful when you are removing the rubber sole. Make sure you do not cause any damage to the rubber sole. Tear off the excess rubber which is around rubber sole. For every rubber sole that we produced, you must check the quality of the molding for both top and bottom parts. Make sure that there is no defect before it can be sent to following processes.